Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to fix the message glitch that is destroying people's iPhones. I've just now been sent the message, so this is how you fix it. When you first get on, you will not be able to open messages. So what you need to do is go into settings, scroll down until you see messages, click on it. Now it will say filter unknown senders and just turn that on. After that, you want to go into your contacts and you need to delete the person who has sent you the line of message. Now go onto your messages. You will be able to open it now, but you won't be able to open unknown senders. So now what you need to do is send a new message to the person that has sent you this line of Arabic code here. This is what is crashing it. Now you'll need to click on camera, send any photo twice, and now you can click on this, and what you want to do is just details, just add them again. And that is how you fix the glitch that's been going around the line of message. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos. Bye.